Good morning, Ninja Peking. Welcome to our channel, and do not forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Today, we'll be looking at a beautiful topic under biochemistry, and the topic is glycolysis. Okay, so before I go deep into glycolysis, we know that the body is constantly using glucose for biochemical activities in the body by giving the body energy. So glucose is the end product that gives energy to the body, which will be broken down to pyruvate to give ATP. But how do we get glucose into the cell? Because glucose is not able to cross the cell membrane through active diffusion, through passive or active diffusion, because of the lipid bilayer of the cell membrane. So you need a transporter that can be able to bring glucose into the cell before any processes do occur. So how do we get glucose? Is the 6-carbon compound. So we're going to represent glucose as this 6 round cycles with little dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a 6-carbon compound. So how do we bring glucose into the cell? Before glucose is brought into the cell, it needs a transporter. So there are GLUT transporter that surrounds the cell, which allows the intake of glucose. They are called GLUT transporters. GLUT for glucose. GLUT transporters. Glucose transporters. GLUT transporters. So, and you have 4 types of GLUT transporter. You have GLUT1, GLUT2, GLUT3, GLUT4. So I would try as much as possible to show you the type of organs or tissues that uses these different types of transporters, glucose transporters. So I have a mnemonic which I actually learned from a very good teacher of mine, and also a professor of mine, in person of Professor Zachary Murphy, the founder of Ninja Nerds. So I would advise you guys to actually go on YouTube and check Ninja Nerds. He's very, very intelligent, and he knows how to give out these lectures. So he gave a mnemonic like this: B, 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 kids, lips, kid lips. Just forget about the pink, mother, father. You start wondering, what does this mean? Well, this is just a mnemonic to remember the type of tissues and organs that uses different types of GLUT transporters on them. So my first B would be for blood. In this case, red blood cells. Erythrocytes. Another name for red blood cells are erythrocytes. Then my second B will be for baby, but you know, in medical sciences we don't say baby, we say fetus. This is for GLUT1, mind you. This is for GLUT transporter type 1. Fetus. Then the last B is for blood-brain barrier. That's a barrier that separates the blood from the astrocytes, separates the blood from the actually nervous system. Blood-brain barrier. Blood-brain barrier. I'm actually going to get a bigger board, so please bear with me. Then the second mnemonic, we have kids. K for kidney. K for kidney. L for liver. And are we together? P for pancreas. Pancreas. Then the next P, this P, placenta. Placenta. N for neuron. Please do not confuse it with the blood-brain barrier. This has to do with the astrocytes, while this is a neuron. Then K again for kidney. So this is for type 1, this is for type 2, this is for type 3, this is for type 1, this is for type 2, this is for type 3, and this is for type 4. So M for muscles, M for muscles, and F for fats, but we do not say fat, we say adipose tissue. adipose tissue. So these are the different types of GLUT transporters that are found in different organs and tissues in the body. So depending on the organ you have, it depends on the kind of GLUT transporters you would see on their body. Thank you very much, Bosa.